These are the Crosshair small frames, and I will show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that your frames are upside down. So front part of the frame is on the solid surface. And then you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to unscrew the screw right here. It's between the frontal part and the temple part of the frame. So you're going to take the screw, and when you do, you want to make sure that it's in the right position before pressing down and screwing to the left. And the screw will slowly come undone. Once so, you just push the lens out. After you do that, if you want to reinstall the lens, you need to line up the lens with all of the other grooves located in the frame. Now, the frame is metal and is very thin, so you must be careful of how you line it up and where you put the lens. Once you are sure of the placement of the lens in the frame, you just screw back in the screw. You're going to take the screwdriver, line it up first, and then push and twist to the right. And then you should feel it tighten up. And that's it.